Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at surface area and volume of other prisms. Now this prism that we're seeing here is a triangular prism. We're always asking the question of what is the shape of the cross-section that we are extending through space. So if I cut this in half, right, or I cut this at any place, it should look the same, just a little bit less, or a little bit less deep. Right, so in this instance, we have this triangle here. So the volume of this prism, let's call it a triangular prism, well, it's equal to the area of the cross-section. That's, in this instance, it's the area of the triangle times the length. Area of a triangle, well, that's half base times height. Let's substitute some figures in. The base is 5, the height is 12, and L, right, well, L is 14. So that's 30, that's 14. So 30 times 14 is equal to 420. What are our units? Centimeters cubed. In this next question, we're given another prism. And the prism here, right, it looks like a trapezium, a trapezoidal prism. So we're extending that trapezium through space. It's got a uniform cross-sectional area and it's symmetrical. So what that means is, right, just looking at it here, I can tell that the axis of symmetry is going through the middle of the pool like this. That's really helpful because to find the area of a trapezium, I need to have both sides, right, both parallel sides, this side and this side. I'm not given the second side, but what I am given is that 5 meters. Because it's symmetrical, this part here is also 5 meters. So this word here is so important. We couldn't solve this without this word. So what does that mean? Well, if I look just at the cross-section, I've got 8 down here. I've got 5 plus 8 plus 5, which is equal to 18. So what is the capacity? Or how much could we fit in this pool? Right, the volume of the trapezoidal prism is equal to the area of the trapezium times the length. How much are we extending it? Area of a trapezium, right, it's one parallel side plus the other parallel side over 2. So that is 18 plus 8 over 2. And then I multiply that by the height, the distance between them, which is 12. The length here, the length of this pool is this distance here, which is 50. 26 divided by 2, 13 times 12 times 50. 13 times 12, 156 times 50. I'm going to get my calculator out here just to make sure. 156 times 50, 7,800. And we're going to give this some units. What are our units? We're looking at meters. Meters cubed. That is the capacity of our symmetrical swimming pool.